recording. Okay. So now if you go here, now this is my local machine. So enter mostly they are asking this question. So we have a Terraform script, multiple resources working parallelly. So how it will work? So how we are managing in our project? So if you are maintaining in local only, so by default the Terraform it is following a lock mechanism. Correct? Now this is my script. So this is my script, and so this is just assume I am this is the one user. Just assume this is the one user. This is local only, and same way this is one more user. Just assume I don't have multiple machines, right? So same machine, so two users. Now these are the more than one resource. All are working same script only, same script. Now if you use so Terraform apply Terraform apply hyphen auto approve. Okay. If I run same command, this user also, how it will work? First understand how it will work. This is one scenario. So these are the two resources, correct? This is the local. If you run apply, here also I am using apply. What is this? It is reconfigure, right? I modified something. First run uh, Terraform init, Terraform init. What they are saying? Reconfigure or migrate the state. We can use anyone. I updated something, right? Just paste it. Okay, apply it. If you got any error, so what is again here? Okay, now paste it. Anyway, I need to run that command prompt. So last we seen, right? Which where I updated here only. Now come to here, go to here. I think somewhere added that line, not here. It's a file, state file. This line I need. Okay, this line I need. So already Terraform, and so init backend config. Just we are updating your access key and secret key. That's it. So now observe here. Now I'm pasting here. What is backend configuration access? The change in the background configuration has been detected, which may require migrate. Okay. Terraform init reconfigure. Terraform init reconfigure. Terraform init reconfigure. Hyphen reconfigure. No valid credential. No valid. It is same one, right? Yesterday only we run. Valid means here we have that TF. Go here. Where is that line? Not here. Just no. Oh, yeah. Where we see that line? Come to here. Here, state file, right? Now go to here. Okay. Let me copy or run here also. I think here already available, that is also. Let me work this run our space. Right click, open git bash, paste it. First I am running so Terraform init command. Init, but here let me check it. What is this? Terraform VPC provider null state which this is tag, and go to provider. I think already last class we updated, we commented right now. So we commented this one. So right now we commented this one. So anyway, now go to here and Terraform init, and so Terraform plan. If I use so Terraform plan, now it will generate the state file and all. And if you use apply command, the actual state file will be generated. So now this is our plan, right? Now same thing. Now I didn't configure S3 and all. By default, it is maintaining which mechanism? Locking mechanism. I am opening one more prompt, and same time I am going to execute so two commands. So same time it is maintaining. This is a local, right? So now see here, Terraform. This is the concept. Terraform apply hyphen auto hyphen app we approve. Now same command here approve. How it will work? This is a local or central right now? My file, my code and all.
Local, sir.
Local. So now it is working or it is showing any error message. Now see here, I am using approve, and here also I am using approve. Okay, both. Now see here, it is started, right? It is started. Now if you come to second, what mechanism it is following by default? Which mechanism? Lock mechanism. See here, error acquiring the state lock. What is this meaning? Already someone hit that apply command, right? Okay. So now we are also trying to apply same error message, failed to read state file. The file was locked. What is that? That state file was locked. Same path, right? This is first, it is generating this file, right? See here, it is generated, started, generated the file. Again, someone is hit that file. What is happening? The state file was locked. We cannot run other resources. See here, the state file could not be read Terraform state file. The process cannot access the file because another process has been locked. Someone is locked.
Yes.
So that is the reason. So we cannot execute. This is okay, local okay. But if we come to real time, right? If we come to real time, and so many people working parallelly. So same, if you maintain a Git, if you central location means we can use a GitHub, some version control we can maintain. But where is your state file? Just assume this is the GitHub. Now should centralize purpose, I go for GitHub. Okay, GitHub. Now entire code available here, and so entire Terraform script, and multiple people working parallelly. So multiple people working parallelly. Now, if everyone clone means what is happening? Code will come local, right? Yes or no? This is the one resource. You are the one resource. I am the one resource, and you are the one other person. If all are clone my source code, that is Terraform scripts, and they are working here. And if you run any command, this is just assume this is laptop or desktop. Where the Terraform that state file will generate, here or here, local or central?
Central.
Hey, don't
Lock
confuse here.
file. Sorry, lock file will
Lock file,
create.
local only,
Ter-
right?
yes.
Now, how many lock file, how many state files available here? This is
Three.
local machine. Three.
Yes.
But now, if you run three people, which is the correct one? Which is the latest one? How I know? This is means same workspace. Here I am working
Yes.
more than two resources, right? In this case, okay, I am working a local mission, but in same mission we are accessing more than one user, but we are using same workspace.
Yes.
అర్థమైందా?
Mm-hmm.
But here different missions, right? See, this is the one laptop, this is one mission, this is one mission, this is one mission, and these different user. If everyone run Terraform script, so it is maintaining internal local one state file. But in this case, how to handle? Correct. Now to overcome this problem, Terraform people they are providing many remote, many right? Many remote. Already last class we seen, right? This is very important. See here, Terraform. So remote backend types. So if you go Terraform remote backend types, and so Terraform people they are giving so backend types remote Terraform. See, we include the remote backend Terraform. So Terraform 11, version 11.3, and there is many types available, guys. That is based on requirement. We can configure anything. Now this and all already we don't know what is this and all, but familiar on that S3, right? Okay, how to create bucket manually and how to create folder, how to upload file to S3. I hope everyone know all are same concept only. But if you click on S3, now we are going to configure S3. See here, store the state as given key in the so given bucket, which bucket you want to upload, which bucket you want to maintain. This is a backend also support the state locking and consisting checking via so DynamoDB. Here one point we need to remember. By default, S3 doesn't support which mechanism? Locking mechanism. Now got it?
Yes.
By default, S3 doesn't support lock mechanism.
Lacking.
Okay. So if you want to implement a locking mechanism, we need to create one DynamoDB table. Already everything they given here. See here. So we need to add see support state locking and consistency checking via DynamoDB, which can be enabled by setting the DynamoDB underscore table field and existing Dynamo table name. That's it. Only 2 points. So if you want to make it S3 as locking, so we need to create one table. Which table? DB table. Clear? This is very important. Enter 99% people are asking this question only. So if we say, so where we are maintaining your Terraform script and all. So we are maintaining S3 bucket. And how we are maintaining that state file and all. Suppose if more than one people are working parallelly, same time, if they hit any command and all, how we are handling. Now got it? Anyone, any doubt guys? This is very important. If they touch Terraform script, if they asked any question in Terraform, 100% they are asking so where you are maintaining your Terraform script, how we are handling. Now clear?
Central repo with
Central repo.
DynamoDB.
If central
Yeah.
repo means they are just update, tell them. So we are maintaining our Terraform script in S3 bucket. Next, immediately they
Okay.
are asking. So they are asking how we are handling. For example, we have multiple resources, multiple resource working parallelly, same Terraform script, and we have state file, right? How we are handling state file. So we are handling state file in my bucket, that specific folder. And so by default S3 it won't support any locking mechanism. And if you're working more than one resource same time, to configure that we need to add, we need to create one DynamoDB table,
DynamoDB.
and we need to configure that table. That's it. Now try to understand. Now first I am coming to AWS account. 100% they are asking this question only. If you try to understand how it will work. Okay. So I hope now we got some idea, right?
Yes, sir.
Mm. Remaining and all that is based there. Okay. Now see here. Now I'm coming to here. So anyway here I run right that entire resource and all created and all. Now if you observe here, all resources created. Leave that matter and all. Now come to our. I'm going to destroy. Now Terraform apply. First you need to whether that script is updated or not. We need to check it, right? So go to here, go to here. This is a script, right? And so go to provider and where you updated, here updated. Now see here, this is actually disabled. Now if you want to enable, now clear, remove this one, control S, control Z. Okay, first destroy it. Otherwise we are getting error message. First destroy, ds destroy. I'm going to destroy. Now I'm going to enable. So how to S3 bucket. Okay. Now come to here. This is only one time, or else we can use for creating S3 also we can use Terraform script. Now come to here S3 and create one bucket. Any name, guys. That is your name. Whatever you want. That is mostly we are giving project name and all. Click on here. For example, create new bucket. Now I'm giving bucket name is so DevOps project. Okay. We can give any name. So copy this name. This configuration is very simple only. Coming to here, is it displayed or not? Still it is displaying. Just wait. This is one part. So come to here, created, and which zone, which region I am creating? US East one. Just remember
Yes,
these
yes.
points. Apart from this, no need to remember anything. That's it. US East one, and this is my bucket name. Copy bucket name. Just copy bucket name. Just create bucket. If already name is available, it won't allow. So it is available, right? So I'm giving uh see, just I'm giving some project name. Okay, this is also available. Mm, just I giving some name, bright project. Okay, copy this one and coming to here, just create the bucket. That's it. Right? How bucket will. This is the universal, right? This is the global. If same name matched, it won't create. Now this is done, right? This try is done. Okay, now come to script. Now I'm going to enable this one. Okay, now use your bucket name. What is my bucket name, guys? This is my bucket name. That's it. Now key is nothing but folder name where you want to upload this state file. Where you want to upload this state file. Now go to here. mm, Buckets. Okay, bright project, right? I given what is my bright project. This is on, right? Bright project. Now create one folder. So see here, create folder. Give any name. Okay, bright. Where is just bright folder. Okay, we can give. That is your wish. Whatever. No? But we are following naming convention, project and all. Copy this one and coming to here. Give same name. This is our folder name. Slash and which name you want to save your state file in our bucket. I am giving so br is just bright dot tf dot state file. Now clear? Anyone any doubt here, guys? Now got it or not?
No.
This is
Yeah.
the bucket name. This is your folder name. Which name you want to upload your state file? That's it. ఏ నేమ్ తో నాకు అప్లోడ్ అవ్వాలి బ్రైట్ డాట్ టిఎఫ్ స్టేట్ ఫైల్ తో అప్లోడ్ అవ్వాలి దట్స్ ఇట్ ఎస్ కంట్రోల్ ఎస్ సేవ్ and so come to here same path. Now see here I am using same terraform apply because already updated, right? Now it is asking a init command. terraform init terraform init command I added, right? Yesterday and all. Now init. Now anyway it is asking credential wrong and all. We use that command. What is that command? Where I use, right? What is that? Every time I'm forgetting that one. So here same command. Yeah, yeah. Provider state multiple folders confused. ఎక్కడ నేను వాడిన అనేది ఈ షీట్ ఇప్పుడే ఆడ చూసాం కదా. ఏ ఫైల్ కమాండ్ కాపీ చేసా కదా, ఫుల్ కమాండ్, యాక్సెస్ కీ, సీక్రెట్ కీ. మీరు కూడా మర్చిపోయినారా? ఇలా ఏ ఫైల్ ఇది? సో స్టేట్ ఫైల్లో ఉంది ఇది. ఫస్ట్ దీన్ని కాపీ చేసుకున్నాం, ఎవ్రీ టైం కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అయిపోతుందా. ఓకే, నవ్ దిస్ ఈజ్ యాక్చువల్ స్క్రిప్ట్ రైట్. ఇక్కడ పెట్టుకుంటా నేను సమ్వేర్, ఎనీవేర్, ప్రొవైడర్స్, every time there is confusion, just here paste it, that's it, commented, this is a comment, otherwise we are getting error. Okay, comment this, now copy this, and already last we seen, right? Just execute it, that's it. Okay, so now observe here, now it is downloading the, that is lock related plugin null also, that is a dependency lock file and everything, so dependency and all it is downloaded. Okay, now even if you, this is the 2, this is also 2. Now observe here, this is also 2. Sorry, where is that? Control C. Okay, now here also if you apply using Terraform, I need to execute this command only, otherwise it won't work. But anyway, it is working. Already I executed, right? Same path only. Now assume, so now, so lock is everything done. Now first come to here, whether so bucket bright project, and so bright project, refresh it, and we created one folder, right? Where we created bright or somewhere, bright project folder not created, created or not? I think I didn't
Created.
create, but it is
Created.
not it is not available. Bright folder, copy this one.
Like that.
Maybe I didn't click the save button. That's it, create folder. Okay, so now available, right? bright bright project, so bright project, now see here folder is available. Maybe I didn't click save button. So now folder is created, and this is the which name you want to upload this file. Okay, state file. Now observe here, now by default now I added S3. Now it is following lock mechanism or not?
It will follow.
Now I configure S3. Okay, now it is
Backend.
following lock mechanism or not? That is question. By default S3 don't follow lock
Yesterday don't
mechanism.
follow.
Lock
Yes, yes.
file. So if you want to, we can run here also. See here, Terraform, Terraform. I am using Terraform plan. Here also we can run same command. It won't follow anything. Terraform plan. It will execute everything. No problem. Here also it will execute. Here also it will execute everything. It is working. There is no error message. So by default, Terraform it won't. That is S3. It won't follow lock mechanism. Now see here, here also it is executed. Whatever we want, we can run both two use same different users. Now what is our target? I want to make it as what, locking. If anyone who, if same more than one user hit this file, I want to get some error message, other people, correct?
Yes.
So that
Yes.
case, what these people are doing. So now see here, this is the one line we need, DynamoDB. We need to create one table. If you click on this, everything they are given. Now if you go to here and go to here, DynamoDB, search it. This is don't this is very simple only. See here, managed, no SQL database, and import from S3 tables, or there's something that go for DynamoDB. Now if you go here and create one table, that is only they are telling. What they are telling, like, see here, which enabled by the settings. So field existing DynamoDB single dynamo table can be used in lock multiple remote state file. If you want to maintain a state file, we need to create one table. See, create a dynamo table for fast and predictable database performance at my scale up. If you click and give a table name, any name guys, that is your wish, any name. Bright table, we are a bright table I given. Now got it. So table name is I given. So see here DynamoDB is the byte. We can give any name, that is your wish. And so there is a here there is a partition key. This is very important. This is very important. Partition key is a part of table primary key, and it is the hash value that is used to retrieve the items. So actually in Java there is a hash value key and value pair, and based on this it will work. Now give here we need to enter everything they given here only. Here no need to worry. And if we click on DynamoDB, not there. If we click on so somewhere they are using so DynamoDB underscore table. This is the field name. This is the field name. And so how we can see DynamoDB table used for state locking and consistency. This table must have partition key. We need key one key named lock ID with the type of string. దీన్ని ఎలా క్రియేట్ చేయాలంట everything they given here. The table must have partition key, and what is the name guys they are expecting? Lock ID.
ID.
Lock
ID.
ID, come to here, lock ID, here paste it. Already if we click on it will come here lock ID. And type equal to what type guys? If you click on here many types available. What type they are telling here? It తీసుకోమన్నారు type of
String, sir.
string.
String.
Same, I am selecting string only, that's it, no need to do anything. Okay, just create it. Now anyone any doubt here? That's it guys, no need to do anything. Click on create table, click on the create table. Now table was created. Okay, now click on, see here, this is creating, table is creating. Just wait. Now how to configure this dynamo table in our so in our right S3. So there is a give one field name DynamoDB underscore table. Click on this and copy this name, copy this name, and go to your script, go to your script, and we need to add one more field. We need to add one more field. So which field we need to add? That is first paste this one. And what is that field name guys? What is the field name? Here they given, right? What is the field name we have to add? Dynamo underscore table.
One more underscore table.
Copy this one
Yes.
and go to here, just paste it. That's it. Apart from this, no need to do anything. Now here, anyone any doubt? Now, so by default, Terraform that S3 it won't support lock mechanism. To make as lock mechanism, we need to configure Dynamo DB table. That's it. Control S save. Control S save. And so come to here. First, we need to execute. You modified, right? We need to execute init command. Already we configure it. Else we can use a reconfigure. Reconfigure hyphen or migrate also. migrate underscore
MI.
mi, or else I am going to remove that state file. See what they are asking. So you need migrate migrate state file. migrate state hyphen migrate hyphen state. We can use this command also. Migrate means already we have state file, right? Already we have state
Yes.
file. Now that state file still what error? Hmm? The defected confidence specific backend. Okay. Now go to here. Execute this command. Hmm. Or else I am going to delete that one.
No, no, apply reconfigure, it may work. Check it once. Reconfigure, reconfigure. Yeah.
Reconfigure. As simple as if you delete, it will work simply.
Okay, that is.
Configure. Just. Already we have state file. Now, so that is migrated and also reconfigure the settings and all.
Not working.
Not working. Credential. Let me delete that one. Where is this state file?
Can,
Delete this
can
one.
we see the DynamoDB table, whether the init data is
That is
in that
not executed. Right? Command
available?
is not executed as of now.
Okay.
Now check it. The change backend configuration detected. You may require migrate existing state. Now migrate existing state. Okay. No credential source for S3 bucket.
Now you can, now you try to give once again credentials. Yeah.
Migrate then.
No, just access key secret. Now try to enter. Not accepting.
Not use Terraform init also. First it is asking Terraform init also
Mm.
reconfigure. Configure. Don't.
First you give only init,
Terraform init.
not supporting.
You want to attempt automatic migration of the state Terraform init. Let me open new prompt. Uh, it is deleted. This is not a problem. Come to here and is there any lock? So delete this one. Nothing. Right click here. Git bash. Okay. Terraform.
Now you try one by one reconfigure, maybe migrate state. After that, finally you
My
go for access key secret.
migrate maybe here already once you checking. S3 to where is that? S3. Paid. Nothing is there, right? Here nothing is uploaded. First command is not migrate hyphen state. Now no credential provider valid credential chain deprecated verbose. Okay. Now go to here init hyphen mm, 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 mm. Yesterday they given one command, right? That way we are following while creating current source, not this one. We configure. So key init the Terraform backend access key and background secret. That's only it is working fine. Other way. Slash back. Yesterday we see, right? Three ways we can configure. What is that? Backend files. error configuration valid credentials and all. So this is error. Okay. Now they are also configuring backend S3 with the same story. Log env that is different profile. Fix credentials. What is the AWS configure correct on Terraform init access key and backend configure secret key and also region. Region is not mandatory. This is optional only. Secret key also hyphen region also I can add it. If you go here, can add region. What is our region? US East.
One.
US East 1.
US East 1. That's it. So see, come to here. If you
Same,
want to
same thing you need to configure in maybe our any one instance. That is the your main problem is like that. It is not able to communicate properly with S3.
copy, I'm going to create same thing, maybe different folder. Let me check it. PC only this resource. Don't want apart from activity group also. Just paste it. Now go to here, get bash Terraform init. Now go to here, copy. This is first time, right? This. Now see here. Actually, they are already state file generated. I deleted. I did some modification. Unable to find. Okay. Now everything okay. So now I open one more prompt here also. Same one more prompt. Right click. Go to here. Go to git bash. Now just concept. It is locking or not. We need to check it. That's it. We are not going to do anything. Whether locking is working or not. We configure it. And so finally, so run the Terraform. Terraform. Mm, apply. If you want to, we can validate also. Now if we have any errors and all, Terraform apply. I don't have anything. And so Terraform apply hyphen auto hyphen approve. Same command I am going to execute here also. Same command I am going to execute here also. Now clear, guys? Now see here. Now already we configure Dynamo table. S3 also we configure. Now after configuring Dynamo table, now what we are expecting? Hmm. Now applied two times. Now applied two times. Now see here, error acquiring the state lock. Now see here error message, conditional check failed, exception condition request failed. So this is a problem. See, this is the lock ID, this is the lock information, and this is the path. See here, already state file uploaded, and we are trying to modify same thing. So that is not possible. Now clear? అర్థమైంది గారా ఇది ఇంటర్వ్యూలో దే ఆర్ ఎక్స్పెక్టింగ్ ఆన్సర్. So how it will work means, so by default S3 it won't support locking. If you want to make it is lock, we need to create one
Dynamo.
dynamo table
Yeah.
and add that field in our so S3 configuration. Clear?
Yeah.
Remaining story same only. ఈ క్వశ్చన్ 100% అడతాడు అందరు ఇంటర్వ్యూలో. So if you run more than one person same time, how it will work? Now go to here also, go to here also, and so where is your here where is my AWS? Okay, now if you go to here and go to go to bucket also, right, project, and this is my folder, right? Now automatically your state file uploaded here, automatically your state file uploaded here. What name I given here? What name I given here? Bright.tf state file. This name it is uploaded to your bucket. Now click on folder. Now just refresh it. Now see here, uploaded or not?
Yes, sir.
Uploaded. Now we can work multiple people same script, and so there is no problem. There is no problem. Even multiple people running same time. So now we configure lock mechanism, right? So who hit the first, only that state file only it will execute. So other people we are getting this error message. Someone is modified already running. So we are getting this. Now how to check this? We created one table, right? So dynamo table. Dynamo table. If you go here, already we created table, right? So what is my table name? So table. Click on table. If you click on here, and so go to explore table items. If we click on here, and so here we can see this is the, see what is item required one, and it is a Brightspeed project, and this is the ID. We can, if we click on this, we can see some information also. Same information we can see here also. 1E, right? That is related to what is this ID? That is lock ID, and it is generated to F8. It is generating one ID. Some information also we can match. What it is matching? 725. This is operational. So this is the already it is generated. This is the lock ID. This is which bright.gf. It is up giving one ID, and this is the that ID information and all we can see. Now we cannot. If you want, we can check. Go and check here whether really it is created that ID or not. It really uploaded or not. We can check this information. So this is the so main mostly so real time we are maintaining a lock mechanism with the help of S3 and also DynamoDB. I hope right. Anyone any doubt here?
Only first time it will be create only, no? When the second person is going
If you
to.
it won't run anything. If won't.
Okay.
Now I am running same script means if second person now this is completed, right?
Yes.
This is completed. Now that person they can run it. Now clear?
Yeah.
Okay, for just assume he is one more person. So now we can run this guy. Now no problem. That is already completion done, right? The process everything done. Now open prompt, and so git bash. That's it. Now Terraform apply hyphen auto hyphen up. Now already everything available, right? Up. Now it is see here, refreshing the state. Now already everything available. Now it won't do anything, only few things. It is null resource only, it is executing. It is connected to my instance. Now everything working. Up to finish this process. This guy already executed, right? Now clear.
Yes.
So that process already completed. This process also completed. If you run more, if you run all are in same time, so that case only problem. Okay. So this is the
Each and every person should contain this files now.
this file no need to. Now
State
everything
file.
is central only. Now this is in
Okay.
not local. See here.
No, no, no,
Now
I am
where you
not asking
configure.
this one.
Hmm.
No, I am not asking this one. In this folder, ABC folder, what we are having. This is
Same code. Same
okay.
code. Your Terraform scripts only. Do you have any
Okay.
state file here?
No,
With script related state file, do you have local? No.
no, no,
Where that
no.
file is available?
Yes, in S3 bucket.
S3 only. Now,
Yes.
yes, so based on that, only it will work. If you modified
Okay.
anything, so one guy, for example, I am the one resource, you are the, for example, you modified EC2 instance and you were given
Okay.
also apply command. After a few seconds also I modified this command, any other file. For example, I added one more variables here and I applied command. So once my process is completed, we can't do anything. You can't do anything. ఎవరు ఫస్ట్
Okay.
రన్ చేస్తుంటే వాళ్ళు రన్
Okay.
అవుతూ ఉంటుంది.
Okay.
నాది ఫినిష్ అయిన తర్వాత మళ్ళీ నీ టాస్క్ రన్ అవుతుంది.
Okay.
అర్థమైందా?
అర్థమైంది.
సో అలా వర్క్. ఇప్పుడు స్టేట్ ఫైల్ అనేది ఇక్కడ ఉండదు. ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ చూసినాం అనుకో, సో ఇఫ్ యూ సీ హియర్, నౌ యూ కెన్ సీ లోకల్ ఓన్లీ స్టేట్ ఫైల్. నౌ వేర్ ఈజ్ యువర్ స్టేట్ ఫైల్? సెంట్రల్. దిస్
Central.
ఈస్ కామన్
Yes.
ఓన్లీ వన్ స్టేట్ ఫైల్ ఫర్ ఆల్ రిసోర్స్.
Okay.
ఈ కోడ్ మొత్తాన్ని మనం ఏం చేస్తాం, ఒక రిపాజిటరీలో స్టోర్ చేసి పెడతాం. ఈ కోడ్ మొత్తాన్ని మనం ఒక రిపాజిటరీలో స్టోర్ చేసుకొని, సో స్టేట్ ఫైల్ మాత్రం అక్కడ ఉంటుంది. సేమ్ కోడే కదా. సో
Yeah.
ఇప్పుడు ఎవరు కావాలని వర్క్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. వర్క్ చేసిన తర్వాత
Okay.
నీకు ఆటోమేటిక్గా ఎస్ఎల్ అది ఈ సేమ్ కోడ్ని మీరు ఇక్కడ కూడా మెయింటైన్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఇక్కడ కూడా ఇంకొక ఫోల్డర్లో సేమ్ ఫోల్డర్లో కూడా అప్లోడ్ చేసి పెట్టేస్తారంటే వెన్ ఎవర్ ఇఫ్ యూ నీడ్ వీ కెన్ సో డౌన్లోడ్ ఇట్. యూ నో రైట్ హౌ టు డౌన్లోడ్ ఫైల్స్ ఫ్రమ్ S3, హౌ టు అప్లోడ్ ఫైల్స్ టు S3. ఇప్పుడు నీకు సేఫ్గా కావాలంటే మళ్ళీ దీంట్లో అప్లోడ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. సో ఆల్రెడీ వీ హ్యావ్ రైట్ S3. Already we have right S3. So now we have bucket, right? Now we can upload many. See, this is a
Good.
folder.
Yes.
If you want to, we can upload your files also here also. Now got it.
Yeah.
But every time only it is uploading that state file, it won't change.
Okay.
That is a mechanism of they are following. They implemented like that only. Terraform people. If you configure S3, so now multiple people working parallelly. So there is no effect. There is no conflict. Okay, I
Okay.
modified
Okay.
something, you modified something. First ఎవడు modify చేస్తే వాడు స్క్రిప్ట్ రన్ అవుతుంది. లాకింగ్ మెకానిజం.
Can we know who modified that script that in
ఫర్ దట్
between
ఓన్లీ వీ నీడ్
not
ఈవెన్
starting మధ్యలో ఎవరైనా ఇప్పుడు ప్రాజెక్ట్ రన్నింగ్ లో ఉంటుంది.
మాడిఫై చేశారంటే ఇవన్నీ చూడాలి, మనం ఎక్కడ చూడాలి? రిపాజిటరీలో చూడాలి.
ఓకే.
అర్థమైందా?
ఆహా.
మనకు వర్షనింగ్, వాడు ఆథర్ ఎవడు మాడిఫై
ఆహా.
చేశాడు, ఏ టైంలో చూశాడు, మనం మొత్తం ఇప్పుడు ఎన్ని రిపాజిటరీ మెయింటైన్ చేసాం అనుకో,
ఓకే.
ఇప్పుడు ఈ కోడ్
ఓకే.
మొత్తం
ఆహా.
రిపాజిటరీ మెయింటైన్ చేయాలంటే లోకల్లో మాడిఫై చేస్తాడు. మాడిఫై
మాడిఫై
చేసిన తర్వాత
చేసిన
కమిట్
తర్వాత కంపల్సరీ
ఇప్పుడు
దాన్ని
వాడు కమిట్ చేస్తాడు.
రిపాజిటరీలోకి
ఖచ్చితంగా నీ లోకల్లో ఉంటుంది, సెంటర్లో
ఓకే.
ఉంటుంది.
ఓకే.
నువ్వు ఈజీగా ట్రాక్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. బట్ స్టేట్ ఫైల్
ఓకే.
మాత్రం ఎక్కడ ఉంటుంది?
సెంట్రల్ రిపోలో
ఆ స్టేట్ ఫైల్ S3లో ఉంటుంది.
ఎస్ త్రీ.
బట్ ఇక్కడ కూడా మీరు చూడాలంటే మీరు వర్షన్స్ ఎనేబుల్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఆల్రెడీ ఒక కాన్సెప్ట్ ఉంది కదా, మీరు S3లో వర్షన్స్
వర్షనింగ్.
అని వర్షనింగ్
ఎస్.
ఎనేబుల్ అని ఒక కాన్సెప్ట్ ఉంది. అప్పుడు
ఓకే.
మీరు చూడొచ్చు.
ఓకే.
సో ప్రీవియస్కి దీనికి డిఫరెన్స్ చూడొచ్చు. కరెక్టా? ఏం
ఎస్.
మాడిఫై చేశారు, ఏ కోడ్ మాడిఫై చేశారు, అవన్నీ ఇక్కడ వర్షనింగ్ ఎనేబుల్ చేసుకుంటే వర్క్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. దట్స్ ఇట్.
ఓకే.
సో దిస్ ఈజ్ వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. And so apart from this, so now there is a VP, right? VPC, subnet, internet gateway, routing table, how it will work. I hope no need to explain. Everything already sir explained in AWS. So if you want to create VPC, I need to create some subnets, or you need to create one routing table, one internet gateway. So manually how we are creating, guys? So go to your S3, go to VPC, go to VPC. If you go here, if you go here, if you go here, VPC and all, and we can see that information. First destroy here. Let me destroy here. I am going to destroy. So now another person, if I use a destroy command, so it is locked. Already someone is executed, right? Correct.
Yes.
Now it is save, and if I apply destroy means now see here, approve destroy. I'm going to here one more guy destroy, destroy. Now that is not still yet completed. Correct. So now we are getting so lock mechanism. See, because this task is not yet complete, right? అర్థమైందా? It already run చేసేసాడు destroy in progress. Now again we are running same command. Now see here, state lock. Already file is locked. We cannot do anything other people. Clear? Okay. So this is very important. Now come to here. So finally we will finish it. Right? How to like this? We can add many resources, guys. But we need to understand. Right? A concept. So whatever resource you want, just that resource and all we can add it. For example, I need one VPC, or we need one internet gateway, some subnet. Manually, right, how to create. If you go here, if you want to create one VPC, click on the new VPC. And right, we are giving VPC name and what is the CACR block. And so this basic configuration. I hope everyone know, right? So what is VPC? How to create VPC? What is subnet? How to create subnet? What is internet gateway? How to create internet gateway? Routing table. These all are the already manual. If you know manual process, and the same thing now how to implement how to implement VPC subnet and all via script level. Okay. So let me come to here. Now see here I declare some variables. So for VPC I declare some variables. Variable VPC CACR block. I given this is the VPC range. Right? Now subnets. For subnets and all I need this range. Right? How many instance we can create 2 for 24. Already sir explained everything in AWS. But these are the variables and availability zone. I am creating 1A and also 1B also. Two availability zones. These are the variables. Here, anyone, any doubt, guys? What is this? This is the VPC range. I given VPC. Even if you come to manually only, it is asking, right? For example, you given my name. Now it is asking a CICDR block. I am giving a 10.0.0.0 slash. I am giving a 16. Now clear? అర్థమవుతుందా? Manually we are giving here, but Terraform side we need to declare one variable. That's it. Now how to create subnet? Right, how to create subnet? If you want to create subnet, go to your VPC and there is one tab subnet, and if you click on the subnet, it is asking subnet under which VPC you need to create subnet. So for that only first we need to declare the VPC. Now see here, this is the subnet, and also it is asking CA block. Now see here, it is asking under VPC, I need this VPC and the subnet. See here, what is the subnet name and which CACR block you want. We can select anything, correct? Same thing here, I declare one variable subnet also. But here I given two subnets. One range I given 1.0 and second subnet I given 2.0.24. And this is the availability zone where you want to create that under. This is same. I declare variable. And how to create VPC actual resource and all. If you go to here VPC, this is a resource name. Even if you go and check it under AWS underscore VPC, I am not doing manually. Everything I copied and pasted from here only. See, if you go here, Terraform providers, Terraform, Terraform providers. If you go here, just go to that documentation. Everything already they given. Click on AWS, click on documentation, and so AWS underscore VPC, VPC, AWS underscore VPC. Now, if you go here, there is a resources, correct? Where is that? AWS underscore VPC. AWS underscore VPC, right? Resource name. Type VPC. VPC. See here AWS routing table, and same here we can see this is the VPC. See here AWS underscore VPC, and see provide the VPC resource. This is the resource and resource name, and this is we can give any name CI/CD block. But here they hard coded, but here I declare variable. That's it. I declare variable. From variable I am calling that values. Now clear? ఇక్కడ నేను ఏం చేశాను, ఒక వేరియబుల్ డిక్లేర్ చేశాను. ఈ వేరియబుల్ ఇక్కడ కాల్ చేసుకుంటున్నాను. దట్స్ ఇట్. అర్థమవుతుందా? వేరియబుల్ డాట్ విపిసి అండర్ స్కోర్ సిఐడిఆర్. వాట్ ఈస్ దిస్ మీనింగ్? నేను ఇలా కాల్ చేసా అంటే విచ్ వాల్యూ కమింగ్ హియర్? దిస్ వాల్యూ. కరెక్ట్? క్లియర్ ఆర్ నాట్?
Yeah, clear.
Now same way internet gateway. So if you want to, so just search it internet gateway. Go here and so internet gateway. Internet gateway. Internet gateway. Internet gateway. AWS underscore internet gateway. If you click on see here resource, this is also one resource, and so VPC ID. They want VPC ID, right? So VPC already I created. How to get that VPC ID? See here AWS underscore VPC main dot ID. What is this meaning? నేను ఏ విపిసి అయితే క్రియేట్ చేశాను ఆ ఐడిని ఇక్కడ గెట్ చేస్తాను. దట్స్ ఇట్. క్లియర్? Should this is the name.
We,
Simply
how
copy
can we
this one,
identify
copy
which is
this
the
one,
resource?
copy this one, and go to here, paste it. Okay, double quotation, and this is the resource name, right? Dot name dot ID. If you give like this means this is a variable, this is the reference, right? Now we are getting so your VPC ID. అర్థమవుతున్నదా? నెక్స్ట్ అయిపోయిందా? ఓకే. Now this is the subnet. How we are creating subnet? If you want to create subnet, first we need VPC, right? Without VPC, can you create subnet?
No, sir. Not sir.
No. That's the basic point. Just remember. Now see here VPC ID. How I am getting VPC ID? Same. Now see here. So copy this one. This is the VPC, right? I don't know what is that ID. Now go to here VPC ID. So paste it here. Okay. So this is your VPC dot resource name dot main dot ID. Now clear? అర్థమవుతుందా? Like this we can dot like this. Same thing only here also. Now whatever you want we can do it. Now see this is now CI/CD black. So actually here I creating two subnets, and so one is right, the subnets and all I declare list. Now observe here subnets and all I type equal to list. I given two range. One is 1.0 and the second one is so 2.0. Second article to 2.0. So if you want to create so here I am giving 2. This is the CSR block element. Actually element is the one right? If you iterate the values, variable dot subnets dot CICR. So what is this variable? First where it is coming, copy this one. If you go to here variable, this is a variable. See here control F V subnets dot CICD, right? This is the subnet dot CICD. So first time it is coming this range, and second time it is coming this range. So actually here I am creating two subnets. One subnet IP range this one, other subnet IP range this one. That's it. And for the both subnets VPC is the same VPC. These are the manual process only. Same manual steps we are implementing via Terraform script. Suppose if you want to, so these are the printing and I'll leave it. Now come to here, and same here routing table. Right? Just route table. Copy this one. This is also one resource. Go to here and type here route table. Now see here somewhere we can see one resource related to route table. Route table. See here AWS underscore route table. If you click on route table, now just copy and paste it. Now see here, this is the resource route table and VPC ID. First we need VPC ID and also this is the syntax. This is the syntax. Now same I copied pasted here. See here VPC ID. How I am getting VPC ID? Your VPC name, resource name, main.id. I am getting VPC ID and this is the syntax. This is the syntax. Now see everything I copied pasted from here only. I didn't write any manually. This is the route table and same thing. And if you want to so any resource I added and route association you are attaching, right? This is also same one resource. Go to here, go to API, just type here. Okay, so where is that? Just copy and paste it somewhere. Association. Okay, route table, route table association, route table. See here resource VPC, under VPC we can see route table association, route table association. Click on this and copy and paste it. See here resource AWS underscore route underscore table underscore association. We give a name and copy it. This is your subnet. How we are getting subnet? Here I am getting subnet with the help of first I am getting how many subnets we have, and first I am getting first subnet and second subnet two times. That's it. So here extra added this line. That's it, guys. Extra added syntax I updated based on my requirement. I added some script, but syntax and all same only. See here subnet ID and routing table ID, subnet ID and routing table ID. This and all based on requirement we can update whatever you want. Actually here I am using a element and with the help of AWS subnet dot main dot ID count index means it is coming first subnet and second time it is coming second subnet, and first here I find line length. So if you go here, this is a variable, right? Here I have two subnets. See here I have two subnets. That is this C. This is the one range and this is the one other range. And based on this, I am getting here. Okay. So like this, we can create any resource, whatever you want. But no need to remember all these things. Just if you go here, documentation, and so just search whatever you want, whatever you want. So that and all, everything already they given. And based on our requirement, first we have plan. And based on this, we can update same thing. Now see here, come to here. Now clear the screen. Now I'm going to apply Terraform, Terraform, apply hyphen auto approve. That's it. So now we'll see all these races name. Now it is creating a remaining story same only. All I created one instance, something and all. Now here also we can check it. Total how many resources? Total 12. Okay. Now if you go here, see here one VPC and also one attached volume and also subnet. This is one subnet. See how many subnets it is coming? Two subnets. This is the subnet 0. This is the subnet 1. It is coming subnet 1. This is the tag name is subnet 1. Second subnet tag name is subnet 2. So I am using element, right? Element I am iterating with the help of count. So that is the reason we are getting two subnets. Now if you go here UI level, if you go here and click on VPC, click on VPC. So under VPC, so we'll get we can see all. What is the VPC name I given, guys? Now see here, what is the VPC? My VPC. Now check that name whether that is available or not. Click on VPC and see here VPC is created. VPC is created. What is the CA/CD range for VPC? 10.0.0.16. If you have doubt, we can check here variables. See here my VPC range I given 10 dot, where is that? See here 10.0.0.0/16 and also VPC created. Now go to subnets. So I given names, right? Subnet 1. See here what is the VPC? From which VPC I created subnet? My VPC. And also one more VPC we can see here. One more VPC subnet 2. This is also created from which VPC? My VPC. అర్థమవుతుందా? What
Yes, sir.
Shivaji?
అర్థమైంది.
Same. If you know manual process, writing Terraform script is very simple. Now go to routing table. So here I given routing table. What is my routing table? Go to here VPC and internet gateway. Internet gateway I given IZW. Now routing table. Is there any routing table? Yes, routing table also example. Okay. And tag name. What is the tag name I given? My public routing table. And so what is this name I given? This is the subnet one. It is coming two subnets done. And what is this routing table? My public routing table. Now we can check all these things. Routing table. Just refresh it. And internet gateway. See here my IZW. My IZW. And same way one by one, so we can check. So whatever configure we done here, same configuration we can check here also. Once that is done, or once your Terraform script is completion, so then only we can check all these things. Now see here. So this is our public IP. This is my instance T2 micro. This is a AMI. This is running. If we have doubt, we can print all output variable. If anything, if we have doubt, what value it is coming? See here. One is created. One is created. 1A, and the second one is created 1B. How these two are created, guys? Now see here, go to variables, and here I given so availability zone I given 2, correct? Availability zone, one is 1A and the second one is 1B.
One
So
B.
here I iterate, right? Iterate means this is the subnets. First it is coming 1A and the second time it is coming 1B. Now clear? Variable dot
Yeah.
availability zone count dot index. Already you know what is count. First it is coming 0. That is nothing but this availability zone 1A, and the second time it is coming 1B. Now it is coming, it is created 1B. That's it. So like this, whatever resource you want, we can add it. Whatever resource we can add it, we can add it. Anyone, any doubt? Okay.
No, sir.
So just try to practice it. Now almost we cover all topics. And if any resource you need, this is the API. This is the so official document. Go and check it. Okay. Whatever you want, everything available here. So based on that, just add and configure your Terraform script. Now see here internet gateway, whatever you want, everything available here. So just go and check it. Just go and check it. Every see all resources available here only. AWS all resources, how to implement everything available here only. Everything available here. See VPC. If you come to VPC, under VPC, how many elements available? See here. These are the data resource dynamically how to get it. So everything available here. Now see AWS VPC, how to create subnet, subnets, only subnet and security group. This is a groups. This is a group. This is a routing table. If you want to multiple routing tables, so like this, just click on anything and copy and paste it. Everything available here. So data source, how to create subnet group and all. This is the syntax. This is the syntax. You know, right? What is ingress? Inbound rules. If you need outbound rules, we can add egress. That's it. Already explained this one also. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that's it. Terraform. Try to practice. I will share the script also, and if we have time, we can run it. And so initial we cannot understand everything I included, right? So just come to one by one class level, we can easily understand. Okay, so that's it. Now Terraform almost done, and so practice it. And if you have any doubt, we can ask. So coming classes also, no problem.